do your mom's makeover, and this is the first time I'm doing it for my mom, and it took me almost like 2 days to convince her for this video. As always, I was making videos of my own and doing my makeup, and being a crew every day we are doing makeup, and so I just thought, okay, why don't I try with my mom today? So in this video I would take you through to the entire makeover session with my mom. Please do not mind the way she acts in this video. It's all natural that she's gonna do. So sometimes, elder people, they behave like kids, I guess. So let me take you through the video. So here we are starting with the moisturizer, and then a primer after that. And you can see as constantly she's just trying to irritate me that she can run away. But today I will give her a makeover, and believe me, this is the first time in her life she is getting a complete makeover done. So first I have applied concealer. As you can see, she has a lot of dark spots, so I am going to apply the concealer on all those places. And you can see I have applied a lighter shade of foundations now, and of course her constant speaking, have to bear with that to get this makeover done. Alright, so I'm using a brush now to blend in the makeup, that we do not get that cracky look. So she's quite old, but then still she doesn't have the jewelries and I can, as you can see, that she doesn't have wrinkles as well, so it's easy to blend in the makeup. And now I have used a compact. Now again, to cover up the remaining spots, I'm going to use a darker tone of foundation just to hide those marks. And now I'm going to use my finger to apply compact and the eyeshadow as well. I'm going to use the fingers, and I've used a lighter pink color. I'll use the blusher now, so not following step by step. Whatever will match her face, I'm going to apply only those things. So this is Ruby's product that I'm applying on her. It's a cream base blusher, and I love it. I don't like to waste on anyone else because I can't order it, but then here I am giving her a glossy look. So I've applied that, and now as I don't have a liner, so I'm gonna use a kajal to put her liner on, and then of course a little bit of mascara. So now of course the mascara, and beautiful she looks actually, and keeps on checking herself. And here I'm using a little bit of lipstick, and here how is the final look. I hope you like the video. and the makeup, of course. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.